Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to change Buy It Now button on your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, if you want to change your Buy It Now button color, you have to go on your Shopify store, log into your Shopify store, and then click on Shopify dashboard. After that, click on the online store button, and then click on the three dot button. Then click on edit code option. After clicking on edit code, click on the assets button, and then click on the base.css. Now you see the whole code. Copy the whole code and then paste it here. Now go on Google and choose your favorite color. Copy it and then paste it. Now you're done with the color thing. Now if you want to change other things like text, you have to go on your go onto your Shopify store and then click on the Shopify dashboard, and now click on the online store button. Now after that, click on the three dot button. A drop down will appear. Click on the edit code option, and now click on the theme.liquid option, and now you see the whole code. Again, copy the whole code and then paste it. Now you're done with that too. And again, if you want to change the size of the button, you have to go on your Shopify store and then click Shopify dashboard. Click on the online store, click on the three dots button, and again go to the edit code option. Now again go to theme.liquid. Now you see the whole code. Now copy the whole code and then paste it, and you're done with that too. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.